Sometimes, life hits harder than you ever imagined. You try to stand, you try to smile, but inside, your heart feels like it is breaking. You look around, and it seems like nobody sees your struggle. But hear this, nothing and nobody can truly hurt you when Allah strengthens you. Not a harsh word, not a betrayal, not even the pain you carry alone. You might feel weak today. You might feel like everything is slipping through your hands. You wonder why people are cruel, or why life seems unfair. But this weakness is not the end of your story. It is the moment when Allah begins to build a strength inside you that nobody can touch. When your heart breaks, Allah is the one putting the pieces together. When you feel invisible, Allah is shaping you into someone unshakable. Think about the last time you felt powerless. Maybe someone betrayed you. Maybe a dream shattered. Maybe fear held you back. You were not alone in that moment. Allah was there, quietly whispering to your soul, giving you courage you did not notice. That quiet strength is what protects you from everything that tries to harm you. You cannot see it, but it is real. And it grows every time you trust, every time you remain patient, every time you keep moving even when it hurts. Do not let the world define your worth. Do not let people's anger, jealousy, or cruelty make you doubt yourself. When Allah strengthens you, your worth comes from Him, and His protection is absolute. No harm can reach the heart that Allah guards. Your pain, your tears, your moments of fear, they are all part of His plan to make you stronger than you ever imagined. Imagine walking through life with this invisible shield. Words that used to hurt no longer pierce you. Betrayals and betrayals lose their power. The storms around you feel like passing rain, not a flood that sweeps you away. This is the strength of Allah working within you. This is the promise that He never abandons those who trust Him. Even when loneliness presses down, remember this: your solitude is not emptiness. It is a space where Allah builds resilience. He whispers courage into your heart when no one else is there. He fills your soul with a strength that makes you untouchable by negativity. The world may try to break you, but it cannot. Not when Allah has chosen to hold you close. Your life will still have challenges, but they will no longer have the power to destroy you. You will still feel pain, but it will transform into patience, wisdom, and deep inner peace. Every setback becomes a lesson. Every tear becomes a sign of growth. Every struggle becomes proof of the strength Allah has placed inside you. Do not rush the process. Trust the timing. Trust the quiet strength that grows when nobody is watching. Every moment of despair is a seed that Allah waters. Every moment of fear is a chance for faith to rise. And every moment of doubt is an opportunity to discover that His protection is greater than anything you can imagine. So today, remind yourself, nothing can hurt me when Allah strengthens me. No word, no betrayal, no fear. You are protected. You are guided. You are being shaped into a version of yourself that no one can touch, no one can shake, and no one can harm. You are more resilient than the storms. You are more powerful than the pain. Hold on to this truth, and let it fill your heart with peace. Smile in the face of fear. Walk through challenges with faith. Rise after every fall, knowing that Allah's strength is your shield. This is not just hope. This is reality for anyone who believes. If this message touched your heart, let it touch others too. Share it, like it, and subscribe to remind yourself, and everyone watching, that with Allah, no one and nothing can ever truly hurt you.